Whoop whoop! I'm a little bit scared. Hey guys, we are trying hot noodles again. I'm so ready for this hot noodle challenge to be over. Shit noodle. Oh, spicy. Spicy. Mix that up. Ooh.
We put it in at the end so it's extra spicy.
Let's take this off. I'm just gonna show you guys what we're working with. Shit noodle. And I'm pretty sure it says fire spicy gourmet noodle. We tried the other spicy noodles the other days you guys saw on our show. Ooh.
Damn it.
Down she goes!
Ah!
So nice.
You got floor chopsticks.
Ready?
Here we go. It's
Ooh, it smells spicy.
Alright, we ready?
I'm ready. Are you
Nice
ready?
and stirred.
Are you ready?
It's absurd.
Absurd and stirred. Do it all in one. It's gonna be hot. What you think?
Spicy.
Oh.
My lips burn.
Oh.
Instantly.
Woo-wee!
It's good. I need more because my lips burn.
Oh, guys. That's a good spice. Compared to the other ones the other day? I'm liking those. What about you? Ooh, my lips
The other ones had a different flavor. This one kind of just tastes like a Mr. Noodle, but spicy.
I think I just got a mushroom.
Yeah. Oh, and it has like big, like random things like, I don't know if I can find one now, but big mushrooms.
Oh, snap. Now I'm getting nervous.
You can't finish it, can you?
Yeah, I can. It's spicy, but not too spicy.
This evening's brought to you by James Ready.
James, ready of all beers.
He's always ready for you.
Are you ready for
When
him?
you need him.
James Ready is definitely ready for us.
That's good.
Ciao. I enjoy
I'm
these.
still trying to find a mushroom.
I already got one.
I think there's just one.
The lucky mushroom. Does that mean I have to take the next choice?
Oh, that was so hot, babe.
Oh, man.
Floor noodles.
Noodles! Oh, man.
Alright, I'm really scared about this next. The box just alone.
Oh, super spicy!
This man is yelling at us. Look at, he has his tongue out.
It's so spicy, it says, get your own bowl to make it in. Because it will...
We might need this afterwards to cool us off.
Alright. So, this says, very so politely, hot as shit. Mama Chulo,
Yeah.
are you ready?
Yeah. Not really, but yeah. A little bit.
Huh. I found the noodle stand. Bum, 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 bum. Snack. Brought to you by Noodles.
I got the noodles ready.
Ooh, these noodles look a little bit better than the other noodles.
Yeah, they're a little bit thicker, I think. And now we have to add, okay, you add, oh Lord.
Okay, this says...
Does it have a tab to open it or not?
All it says in American or English or Canadian is
Excuse me.
joy. Joy.
And share. It says share.
It says share?
Right beside Joy.
Oh, did not even see it. Does this have a spot to open in it? Oh, it does.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, well.
Oh, I feel peppers or something in here. Maybe.
You got that one. I got this one.
There's 2 sauces?
There's 3 sauces.
3 sauces.
There's 3.
All right, folks. You're gonna...
Help you?
Oh, my
Can you
Lord.
help with that? Let's do this.
Do it good. Do it good. If you do it this sideways.
Oh my god, what is going on with it? There's like essence.
Oh, them hot peppers.
Oh my god, look at
Them are
open it big enough.
hot peppers.
What is this?
I see an onion. I see a mushroom. I see... Whoa! What are those?
Oh my god. There's more.
Keep going. Keep going. Holy, look at this, guys.
Keep coming.
We're at the fast forward of this little section.
Oh my god.
Oh, that smells great, actually.
Saucy, don't mind fingers.
Oh, you didn't know that? That ramen water is great for washing those saucy fingers. I am doing the cardinal sin of mixing my ramen.
Ooh, do you want to know what I smell?
Ooh.
I smell sesame oil. I think that's what this
Sesame
is.
oil!
That is sesame oil. This is the thing I'm most terrified about. I don't want to do it. I can't even open it. Oh my god, there's like... Okay, it says... Boom!
Oh, it even says right there. Cry face.
Cry
face.
I don't want to cry, but I'm probably going to do this.
Okay, wait a second. Is that how much to put in? Wait a second. Is this a hot factor? Does this say...
We're doing it all, so...
No, it says, okay, there's a little area that says happy
It
face.
came with the pack.
What? Let's put it at a happy. Just leave it with happy spice.
Yeah, we could, if I could even open it.
Oh, so you're just going on the... Oh my gosh, folks.
The black stuff at the bottom, we gotta get that in there.
Oh, shake her up, babes.
Don't
Careful.
watch your eyes. I don't even know what this is.
Keyboard down. And then if it starts malfunctioning, can we call the business?
Spicy.
It smells like hot peppers.
Get that in
Hot peppers.
They do it with this.
Does it come with anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Woo!
It says it's vegan. Even though there's weird... Why is there weird chunks? What is that?
Mushroom.
No, are you sure?
Dogwood? She will
I feel
inspect.
like it's not vegan, and they lied.
Okay, maybe...
Maybe
let's
Tex
go to
is
the
going to be
box.
eating this by himself.
What? You gotta give it a shot. Oh yeah, we read it. Read the ingredients out loud, my lover.
Wheat, flour, egg, salt, vegetable oil. Well, that's just the noodles.
Bacon,
Sauce bag, vegetable oil.
Or vegetarian, I mean.
Bean sprout, soybean, protein, chili, pickled chili, dried bean curd, ginger, salt, pickled ginger,
It's ginger.
bean sauce, chili wheat flour, water, salt, more bean crap. Monosodium glutamate. It says edible flavor.
Gotta go for the MSG.
Yeah, I don't see any meat.
It's ginger.
Alright. It said it's vegan.
And it says...
Even though I'm pretty sure
Have a
it's
good day.
freaking meat. Okay, you tell me what you guys think about what you think of this. I don't know if anybody has tried this before, but I'm going to take a piece of this out. I'm pretty sure that is meat. That's meat. I'm not eating that. No, not over the... Wait. I don't want to drip it over the can. That is, like, meat.
Ginger?
Meat.
pickled something. Bean. Oh, it's bean. Ta-da! Mysterious bean. It probably was a frippin' big bean then.
I was scared. It looked like beef.
It did look like beef.
All right.
Actually, I think with beef texture.
Take a big bite and you gotta eat it all.
Okay.
Come on now, man.
You know my chopstick skills?
Okay, you want to eat this bite?
No, I got a bite right here. Okay. Oh, noodle down. Catch him. Hey. Get that up in your mouth. Get that. Damn it.
I made a mess.
Cha-cha.
I made a mess. All over myself.
You know what?
It's all over.
This has got a whole different spice I can't even explain.
I don't know about it either, Daddy.
It's hot, but not hot.
I don't think it's that hot. And the flavor's like weird. Kind of mushroomy.
Oh,
if that makes any sense.
Thank God.
I can't even get these things in my mouth. I don't even like slurp. I did it!
Well, guys, those were okay, spicy. We're gonna have to go back to the Asian market and do another little run for even spicier. I think we're going to go number 2 and number 3 next time. Spicy, 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 spicy! But these were kind of yummy.
Which ones did you like better?
I actually like the other one better, the spicy noodle one.
Okay.
But I enjoyed this
After like the second bite, I like that one better. The first bite, there goes the nose. I like that one, but the second bite is like, I don't know, it has this
This
like...
one would be good on
It's probably the sesame oil. I love sesame oil. Where is it? Brought to you by James Ready. That's yours. We're sharing.
I love sharing with her. You be my thunder buddy?
Thunder buddy. Good.
Wow.
I liked it.
If you guys got any suggestions, leave them in the comment box.
Yeah.
That's what we're calling it now.
Spicy noodle day! I don't know if we can do any more spicy noodles though. Okay, we just like raided the noodle store. So I think we have one more noodle session to do after this, and it's my choice of noodles. So I'm actually very excited about this because this is what I wanted for my choice of noodles. So if they taste like crap, it's my fault.
That's alright.
So that means it's good! Cheers! Stay tuned for more excitements
From Tex.
and season! Please subscribe! We don't know when our videos come out. We haven't decided yet. Maybe you guys
But if you press the
comment
button
and
down
pick a
there,
date when you think we should put our
or down
videos
there,
out.
or down there, or over there,
Wherever the comment button is.
we'll find out.
Hey!
Thanks for watching, guys.
Alright guys, see you later!
Peace out.